waited a long time. I think we all did. The three of us did. We've always, it's been something that's been bubbling under that we've always wanted to do. We would agitate and wring our hands, but finally our dream came true. So we're really thrilled.
We have new musical numbers, and of course, when you have Bette Midler starring in a movie, if you don't have singing, it's a sin.
We're actors because we like to tell a story and be somebody and transport ourselves, but far more importantly, the audience. The sort of longevity of this particular film in people's lives is very touching, and I think we all feel very lucky.
Revisiting Billy Butcherson is something I've wanted to do since the first movie, because there were so many layers to him. I wanted to find out more about him, So we get to a little bit in this next movie. It's a dream come true for me.